Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore 2FA access for Ledger using compatible apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore 2FA access for your Ledger device, begin by gathering your recovery phrase. Ensure you have your Ledger device ready and fully charged. Download the compatible authentication app of your choice. You can choose from apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or similar. Install the app on your mobile device or tablet. Open the authentication app after installation is complete. Select the option to add a new account or token in the app. You might be prompted to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Retrieve the QR code or setup key from your Ledger account settings. If you do not have access to the account settings, use your recovery phrase to regain access. Follow the on-screen instructions in the authentication app to complete the setup. Once the code is added, you will see a 2FA code generated in the app. Leave the authentication app open for now, as you will need this code shortly. Switch back to your Ledger interface where you need to input the 2FA code. Enter the code displayed in your authentication app into the required field. Confirm the entry to ensure the code is accepted. Should you experience any issues, double-check that the time settings on your device are correct. The 2FA setup is now complete. You can continue with your transactions securely using your Ledger device. Make sure to keep your authentication app and recovery phrase safe and accessible. This process enhances the security of your crypto assets and ensures they remain safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.